All right, guys. So I am currently wearing my Meta glasses, and this is how you would check to see how charged the glasses are. So if you open up the app, the very top section, you'll see that it says 76% right there. That is for the actual glasses. Now, if you want to see how charged the case is, there's a few things we can do. First, we can open up the case and you'll see that this light is solid green. That means that these are fully charged. Now, if we were to open this and it was an orange, that would mean partially charged. And if you were to open this and this was flashing orange, that means very low battery. Okay. You can also push the button on the back. Wait for it to go off. There it is. And if I push the button on the back, it'll tell me the same colors about the battery. Now, if you want to use the app to check the battery life of the case, you can do that. You just have to put the glasses back inside of the case. And once you do, this is what you'll see. So with the glasses on the case, you'll see that the glasses are charging, and they're at 75%, and you'll see that the case is fully charged. So it's 5 lines. Fortunately, we don't have a percentage to see how charged they are, but that is how we're going to check the glasses that I'm currently wearing and the case to see how they're charging or what their battery percentage is. So, yeah, that's all we have today, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.